Hi, I didn't see you there. Welcome to 15 Clarke. This is a stunning 2,300 square foot Salem model in one of the best neighborhoods in Orangeville. For a commuter, it's a dream house because you're right beside Highway 10 and 9. Don't miss out. Come see 15 Clarke today. Welcome home. The Island Lake community offers so much more than you would expect. From Island Lake Public School to the Headwaters Hospital, and of course, the one-of-a-kind conservation area which the community is named after, Island Lake. 15 Clarke is conveniently located right in the center of this vibrant community. It also happens to be the most desired Salem model. With nearly 2,300 square feet, 15 Clarke is a sight for home hunters' sore eyes. A 2-car garage, gorgeous tree-lined street, and Oasis backyard with brand new decks and a stone patio for minimal maintenance. As you walk into your front door to the open concept and 20-foot ceilings, you instantly get a feeling of luxury. After walking through the family room, dining room, living room with large windows and gas fireplace, you find yourself awed by the gorgeous open concept, oversized kitchen with an enormous island counter. The breakfast area also leads to the stunning newly landscaped backyard. As you head upstairs, the huge loft immediately catches your eyes. Walking through the large French doors into the oversized master bedroom with a walk-in closet and ensuite is a novelty that never gets old. One of the best features of all is the separation of parents and kids as they separate ways at the top of the staircase, which features 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom. Last but not least, the enormous basement that is left as a blank canvas for you and your family to construct your dream recreational area, or perhaps used as an unfinished hangout. Come join me at 15 Clarke before it's too late.